Hey, welcome back. Did you know you are wearing too much makeup? Or are you? Today's video is going to be a very different one, but I've heard so much and read so much recently about the overuse of foundation. We don't need to be using half a bottle. On the back of most foundation bottles, it actually recommends only 1 to 2 pumps. That is what I've used today. It's the Rimmel London Lasting Finish up to 35 Hour Foundation, of course, my favourite, and my current best match, in shade 350 Golden Honey. And I thought today, whilst I'm just doing some errands and going shopping, I would apply my makeup, see how it wears throughout the day, and at the end of it we'll be able to see whether we really do need to be wearing as much as we're wearing. I actually think we're going to be pleasantly surprised. I think we're going to be shocked at how much better it probably is going to turn out to be. I think it'll be a real eye-opener. I think over the years, seeing everyone try to get more views on Instagram, TikTok, all of that by using literally a whole bottle of foundation, we've lost track of how much we are actually supposed to be using. Today's goal for me is to literally see how long my makeup looks good for only using 1 to 2 pumps. In hindsight, I probably should have filmed the actual process of me doing my makeup, just so you have like a visual of how much I've used. But I forgot to, so. But if you know how the pump is on the Rimmel London foundation, then you'll know how much I've used. Again, only the recommended amount. So I've had my makeup applied for about 20 minutes. I am going to go out and do everything that I need to do now and check back in later on, and we will see how it is looking. This is how it's looking so far. This is about 20 minutes, half an hour after I've applied it. Okay, so we're back after doing his errands and going shopping, and as you can tell, my makeup has definitely started to come off. It's been about 6 or 7 hours and the base has not moved, not budged. Impeccable still, in my opinion. My lip makeup has come off, my eye makeup has started to come off, and I'm starting to crease on my eyelids where the glitter is, but the base is still intact. That tells me that we are definitely using too much foundation. 1 to 2 pumps is all we need, okay? Let's stop with the overconsumption and just the general overuse of products. We don't need to be wasting things. On average, it's about £30–40 for a bottle of foundation, so why do we feel the need to be using it so excessively and like it's running out of fashion? I would do a longer wear test, but realistically we don't need to do like a 24-hour wear test or a 35-hour wear test, because 1, I aren't sleeping in my foundation, and 2, we never wear his foundation for that long, so I feel like it's just a bit unnecessary to put my skin through that. With that being said, overall, I think we are definitely using too much foundation and we need to just cut back on it. And remember, only 1 to 2 pumps is needed. We don't need to keep overdoing it all the time and looking cakey and just like you've shoveled it on. I'm not judging anyone though who wants to apply that amount of foundation. That is entirely your choice, your preference, all of that. You can do what you like, honey. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you, bye. Also, if you have any recommendations for future videos, mainly based around do we need to use this amount, please do let me know in the comments, because I, for one, am done with overusing massively when it comes to makeup. I'm over it, okay? I'm over it. Bye.